Want to connect your music taste to Tinder? Here's how to add your Spotify account. First, open the Tinder app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on Edit icon located near your profile picture. Scroll down until you see Spotify section. Once you find it, tap Add Spotify to your profile. Now log into your Spotify account. Once connected, you can select a song to be your anthem and display it on your profile. If you are having trouble connecting, ensure you are logged into Spotify and that Tinder has permission to access your account. And that's it. Your Spotify account is now linked. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.